Hey, Lauren Hughes here. I'm at my house, or what's left of it. And I want to talk to you about my biggest concern right now with the aftermath of the fires, because everyone, got out safely. Now it's time to rebuild. The times to rebuild, that's what's really scary. Most of us are insured for about 9 months of living expenses, but anyone that knows Boulder County knows things happen a little bit slow, and there was already in a crisis to begin with in all of Colorado, actually, there wasn't enough housing for the people. Now there's 1,000 more people that, literally lost their homes, and we are still paying for them. That's my biggest concern. Is I'm going to be displaced for probably 3 years. And the thing is, we were set up very, very well, not prepared for, I would say, a fire like this, but we were very prepared financially from doing everything right for years and years and years. And I'm still very concerned about what I'm going to do with my family for the next 3 years, because I want to keep my kids, provide them some type of stability. But how do you provide them stability when this is your house and we are paying a mortgage on it? So even if we wanted to move on, we can't. And it's probably going to be 3 years before this is rebuilt. So we will be paying that mortgage for 3 years, which will also tie up our ability to get a new loan because we have this loan for a house that's around $800,000 on our backs, where we can't do anything. So it will be very hard to move on or, keep stability for our families. Just an example, in 5 weeks, we will have burned through about $10,000 just in hotels, and we're staying at the cheapest hotels I can find. Just new, random clothes, food, because we're in a hotel. The burn rate is very, very, very fast. So luckily, I do have a rental that I own that we are moving into, but that means I'm going to be paying 2 mortgages. So at least we have somewhere to go. It's 30 minutes away from Boulder. It's Denver. So it's not too terrible, but driving kids north for, 30 minutes each way, that will be rough for 3 years if we want to keep consistency, because that's what my biggest struggle right now is: consistency for my kids and the length of time it's going to take to rebuild. And we're looking at 3 years. Most people are insured for about 9 months. So that is my biggest concern right now. So thanks guys for tuning in. We're all in this together, and I am so grateful to be in such an amazing community with all of you.